Today we talk about how can you add avatar on your or change avatar on your Braille app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you add avatar here or change it, any avatar you want to add. So then you click here on finish, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do to add or change your avatar here. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.